Hi everybody, I have a traveler's notebook process video for you today. I'm going to be using my pocket page notebook from the Stamp Spot. They are no longer in business though, unfortunately. I'm going to use those gorgeous rainbow sherbet Spiegelmom scraps sequins that I designed, and they're so pretty. I just love them, so I'm super excited to make a little pocket page, shaker page in this traveler's notebook. I am looking through my Elegance Blooms kit from Cocoa Daisy. So in February sometime, I ordered the scrapbooking kit because I loved this kit so much. So when they released the 12 by 12 papers, I went ahead and bought a scrapbooking kit, and I haven't even touched it yet. So I decided today would be the day to go ahead and pull it out and use it for my project. I'm going to keep this traveler's notebook spread quick and easy. I love that stripy paper, so I'm going to make it a focal element on one side of my traveler's notebook, and then I have that large tag that's going to act as the title on the, the photo's on the left, not the right, so the title will be on the right, not the left. Oh boy. If there are any of these scrapbook kits left in the Cocoa Daisy store, I will link them up down below. And then I've also included a referral code that you can use if you place an order with Cocoa Daisy. And then I am going to go ahead and use this diagonal striped paper. I'm going to use it to mat both of my photos. These are some super cute photos of my oldest son, Morgan, and my niece, Ella. Now, this is when Ella was a baby. If you've been around my channel, you've seen her. She's like almost 5 now, but in this photo, she was just a baby. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mat these two photos and then kind of place them almost in a diagonal on in my traveler's notebook spread. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of place them like that. Love how that looks. I tore the bottom of that tag off just to add some interest and some extra texture, and then you'll see I'm going to tuck some of the floral die cuts under that tag so it looks like they're kind of coming out from the bottom, and I think it turns out really, really cute. So I'm going to flip through the die cut packs. Cocoa Daisy die cuts are always stickers. They're nice and thick. They're really, really good quality. I really like them a lot, and they're nice sizes. So I'm going to flick through this pack of die cuts and just pick out the ones I want to use for my page. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab the frames that came in the kit. I love the idea of kind of making that photo be a focal point. And so I had this cute little banner, and instead of trying to cut the photo down or anything, I just framed out the part of the photo that I wanted you to focus on. And that worked really well. I think it turned out really cute. So now I can just go ahead and kind of clean everything up, put all these pieces down on the spread, and then we can get to work on the shaker element. I grabbed my glass mat, and I have my fuse tool out, all heated up and ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and create a bit of, I'm gonna fuse the end, because I always like to fuse a little bit in from the binding, because I find that sequins tend to want to slide into that up against the binding. And so to prevent that from happening, I'm just gonna go ahead and give myself a little bit of space there. And this way the sequins will stay right where I want them. Now, like I said, these notebooks are from the Stamp Spot, and the Stamp Spot has closed their doors. They're no longer in business, and they were an Australian company. But I used to buy her notebooks quite often. I have a lovely bumper crop here, because if you bought so many of her notebooks, it helped with the shipping, and I did really like them. So what I'm doing here is, like I said, I want to keep the sequins into the middle portion, so I'm just using my fuse tool, and I'm going to create like a pocket within my pocket. so that I can slip the sequins down in and they will stay right where I want them. Poured my pretty sequins in, and I'm going to seal the top. I will also leave my affiliate link down below for Spiegelmom scraps, and I would love it if you grab these sequins. They're so pretty, and I think they're still in stock too. But there is our project for today. Quick and easy, just the way I like them right now. Here are the close-ups. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.